Back in the dark ages of voice recording, when things were recorded on tape, there was an obvious advantage for keeping as much of the good takes as close together as possible. So the method was to rehearse the voice actor until the performance was close to perfect, and then start recording, hoping for a perfect take top to bottom with as little editing as possible. But now we have non-destructive editing and the ability to combine pieces of one take with pieces of another. And with digital recording and non-destructive editing came the ability to concentrate on the creative aspect of the performance without worrying so much about where it occurred on a tape. So announcers started doing something called 1, 2, 3, or ABC, where they say a line with different emphasis or timing on certain words in the sentence. So let me give you an example. Let's change our church here to just a simple room. Close these windows. I'll save this as Poe. It will live in the clip bin. This is now not church reverb, but room reverb. And I don't even have to delete this clip from the timeline. It will just write over it when I start talking again. So I'm going to record a little something using the ABC 1, 2, 3 system, saying it 3 different ways. I'm glad we got to see that. I told Pro Tools to record and it said, where? You have no track record enabled. This will give you that doubling sound again, which I think is okay while we do this. And we're recording. So again, the cue here is different timing and emphasis on certain words in the sentence. They say a line with different emphasis on timing or certain words in the sentence. They say a line with different emphasis or timing on certain words in the sentence. They say a line with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. I think I got it all in. Let's take a look. On certain words in the sentence. See, it cut off at the end. So let's do a punch. On certain words in the sentence. So there's a nice little breath right there. I'm just going to punch in right here. So punch comes from the old term of when we punched a record button. I'm still going to punch it. I'm not going to worry about timing. And I need the phrase on certain words in the sentence. So I'm going to hit record and say on certain words in the sentence. And then that's easy to retime. Right now, so that I don't have 2 different regions, I'm going to consolidate these. We saw that before with our clock. Now I've sort of done a digital mix down so that I have one clip that contains everything I said. So let me do some quick editing here. We don't need this piece at the beginning. I'm going to, in shuffle, trim that away. Now it starts. They say a line with different emphasis starts where it starts. I think I can do this. You'll be able to hear the playback, and you won't hear my voice through the chamber. They say a line with different emphasis on timing or certain words in the sentence. They say a line with different emphasis or timing on certain words in the sentence. They say a line with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. So let's say that we have these 3 takes and we want to try and do a perfect composite of these 3. So I could edit right in the timeline. Select here, cut this, select there, cut that using Command E, delete this. They say a line with different emphasis on timing or timing on certain words in the sentence. Timing shows up twice, so move that to there. They say a line with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. So I'm going to undo because I want to show you the separation grabber. I'm going to make a new mono audio track. I'm going to move it to the top because when I'm editing, I like to have what I'm working on the top. So we'll call this the edit. So there's the recorded piece. Here's the edit. My input is different, but it doesn't matter because I'm not recording anything here. I'm just going to use pieces from what's already been recorded.